Hey, what's going on? Abram Gonzalez here, six-figure internet marketer. I want to teach you something really special today. It's actually something that I picked up from Tracey, one of the leaders in Empower Network. It's a super simple way to get your blog syndicated out there onto the internet and in front of as many eyeballs as possible. Because if you know anything about internet marketing, you know that you got to get your content in front of people. Otherwise, there's no way that they can see it. There's no way that they can use it. There's no way that they can find you and pay you for what you have going on. So this is the super simple blogging syndication method with credit from Miss Tracey Walker. It's four simple steps. We're going to go through all of them right here in this video. The first step really quick is creating your blog with calls to action. I'm going to talk about that in a second. Second thing is to post your blog to Facebook. Okay, you're going to need a Facebook fan page to do this. Third thing is to promote the post. So you got to have a little bit of money, but a little bit of money over a long period of time is going to be essential for you to get your blog post out to people that don't already know you. Okay, because if you want to grow your business, you have to get your stuff in front of people that don't already know you. Okay, and the fourth thing is I'm going to show you how to email your list and get that in front of the people that are already following you. Okay, so really quick, I'm going to show you the blog post that I've been working on here. Right, this is the finished version on my Empower Network blog. Right, if you choose to sign up with us today, or you're curious about getting your own blog started, you can follow the links below this video and so on and so forth, and you can get a blog set up just like this one. But that's not the point here. The point here is to show you, we created a blog talking about how my partner and I, Nikki, made it into the top 10 income earners inside of Empower Network. Okay, so I want to share this with people on the internet to grow our business. Right, so if you go down the page, the piece I want to show you is the calls to action. Right, you'll notice that there's hyperlinks in here that tell people to click on it, and when they click on the link, it takes them to a page just like this. Right, you get this stuff when you sign up for Empower Network, but it's a capture page. Every business online needs a capture page. So this blog post is designed to capture people's emails, and then bring them to the sales video eventually and convert them into buyers. Okay, so we have multiple calls to action on the page. You can see a bunch of them here highlighted in blue. Some of them go to other blog posts that have subsequent calls to action. There's even a join now button. Right, so that gets people into our business. Okay, so you need a blog post with calls to action. Otherwise, you're sending people to a place where your traffic goes and dies. Right, it doesn't go anywhere. It doesn't entice people to jump into bed and do business with you. Right, so that's the first thing, is to create your blog with calls to action on it. Second thing we're going to do is we're going to head on over to Facebook, onto my Facebook fan page, which we started on. That's over here. Okay. And we're going to actually post the link and we're going to promote it. So I wrote up a little blurb here. I got to pull it out of my notes section. I wrote up a blurb here that's going to entice people to click on my link. Right? I got to write a good headline. I just wrote, this is the behind the scenes peek at how Nikki and Abram became top 10 earners in their company, generating over $15,300 in their business in under a week. Then there's the link, and you'll notice that it's there with bit.ly. That way, when we take our blog link and put it in through bit.ly, we can actually go to the website, bit.ly.com, and see how many people are clicking on it. Right? You got to know how many people are clicking. If you don't know the data, you're just shooting in the dark. So I'm going to post this blog here, and by the way, yes, we did make $15,300 in a week. Okay, income disclosure. Go to empowernetwork.com, income.php, and you can see the average earnings updated every 24 hours. Okay, but that's just our earnings. Okay, that's our experience. It doesn't mean that you will have the same experience, but it means that it is possible. Okay, so I'm going to put this right here on my Facebook fan page. I'm going to post it. Okay, and once that goes on here, I'm going to show you how to promote the post, so that way you can get it out to more people. Okay, so there's this nifty thing on your Facebook fan pages that says you can boost your post. Okay, and it's got a bunch of options. I won't go into all the options here, but you'll just get the idea. I'm going to boost the post for 15 bucks. Okay, so I can do people who like the page and their friends. I can also do people you choose through targeting. Okay, so for this one, I am going to promote it to some other people outside of our group. I'm going to do it by location. I want to do United States. I want to do people that speak English, and people that in Canada, United States, Canada, United Kingdom. We'll try Australia. Because if they're not speaking our language, it doesn't really make any sense. Okay. I also want to do age. If they're not 18, they can't join our business. Sorry. You'd have to have a parent sign the papers for you or something, sponsor you. So we'll do like 18 to 55, right? And it tells us, okay, your budget will reach an estimated group of this number of people, blah, 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 blah. There's also more options, okay? And now I'm going to click on Boost Post. That's what we're going to do. We're going to Boost Post. And then it's going to go out to people on Facebook, okay? So loading, loading, loading. I guess it's going to take a second. Okay, so we're going to let that load up. We're going to come back here in a second. I'll show you what's up, because the final step, once we promoted our post on Facebook, is to email your email list. You should be building an email list. If you don't know how to build one, you need to join Empower Network. We can show you how to build a list with your blog. But basically, here's what I did. Okay, I own Aweber. Right, this is an email autoresponder service that allows you to send out emails to people on your email list so you can follow up with them and share what you have to offer. So I just wrote this email. Okay, I'm not going to go through what it says, but it basically connects to this exact blog post that I just did, giving people some content, sharing with them what it's like to spend a week with people like Nikki and I who are making an income online. Okay, and I just got a bunch of links that go to that blog post, basically. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I've queued it up for our list, right? That's our list up there. And now I'm going to go to the bottom and I'm going to send it out. So I'm going to save the message. Okay, is this thing still loading up? It's a little weird. It's taking a minute. Okay, cool. And so now it's all loaded up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to send that now. And it's going to be out. Okay, so there it is. That's how you do it, right? Those are the simple, easy steps to grow your list and get your blog post out to new people using strictly Facebook. Now, of course, you can use other social media networks and stuff to do what I did, but this is the down and dirty basics of the stuff that Tracey Walker does, who is the #4 income earner in the company, and the stuff that Nikki and I have been doing. And we have just recently cracked the top 10 income inside of our company here with Empower Network, and we can show you how to do the same. Okay, so if you want to see this blog post on your screen right now about how we made it into the top 10, you can follow the link below this video. And if you want to do business with us, you can also find that information in the links below this video here, whether you're watching on YouTube or whatever it is. And we'll show you how to live a life that you work only a couple hours a day, blogging about whatever you want, because we started out blogging about law of attraction and so on, and building an income from home, from anywhere in the world where you can find Wi-Fi. Okay, so that's the deal. Hopefully this video was of help to you today. Get out there, make sure your blogs are seen by people. Otherwise, you're sort of wasting your time, right? If people don't see your content, they're missing out on what you have to offer. And if they don't see your content, there's no way that they can possibly pay you, especially if you're using blogging as one of your main strategies. Okay, so eventually, this post will go through, okay, and it'll allow it to reach more people. But some reason the internet's not working out. You don't have to wait around for that. You can go out there and start implementing this strategy right away. Okay? So take care. Thank you so much. Connect with me on Facebook. Follow the links below this YouTube video. And let's get rocking. All right? Bye for now.